Welcome all of you. I'm Dr. R. Alamelu, faculty member, School of Management, Sastra Deemed University. I'm one of the coordinator for the course on Fundamentals of Logistics. In the new millennium, the advancement in technology, the connectivity networks, the globalization effects are integrating the various economies in the world. The customers are demanding value for the money they paid. Business markets are integrated with competitive pressure, and most business units are striving hard to get growth and survival in the long run. This has made most of the firms to re-evaluate their business process, revisit their service processes to improve the cost, quality, relationship with the customers, and responsiveness to the society. The buying and selling at global level has changed the total spectrum of business, which also influenced the need for global supply chain and the logistics, specifically the innovative logistic practices to meet out the scale of operations. The quest of growth and access to new markets have propelled companies to utilize their competitive advantage. This has necessitated to achieve the customer service satisfaction through efficient logistics practices. As logistics is a core competency for firms at the multinational and the domestic level, today no business firms are afforded to ignore the crucial role of logistics. With this background, we are introducing a paper, Fundamentals of Logistics. It is providing a conceptual background and understanding of logistics functions. This paper also offering the value of logistics customer service and related warehousing transportation decisions in managing the business supplies. This course, which consists of 5 units, the first unit we are talking about understanding the logistic concepts and its contribution in the business scenario. The unit 2, which describes the value proposition and customer service and its synchronization with supply chain. Unit 3, which will identify integrated logistic structure and logistical measurement system. And the Unit 4, we are focusing on the role, the warehouse transportation and the reverse logistics, which is a core in the logistics management system. And the Unit 5 provides as importance of the international trade documentation process and the role of key players in the international logistics. So welcome all of you to this new sort of happy learning. Welcome.
Hello, friends. And in furtherance to what my colleague Dr. Alamelu has completed as an introductory part of logistics in management, I'll be taking you through the rest of the syllabus that I have delivered to you, and I hope you all find it very interesting. This is basically the second part of Unit 3, where I had dealt with the measurement of logistics performance. This is what we call as integrated logistics measurement, which includes both the internal and external measurement of the activities related to logistics. This is followed by the most important element in logistics, that is storage, which includes warehousing. And in warehousing, I dealt with the different benefits of it, followed by different types of warehouses. What are the functions of those warehouses? And then we have jumped into another hour of course related to transportation, which includes types of transportation, analyzing transportation, modes of transportation, what is the meaning of efficient transportation, etc. This is followed with the e-commerce logistics, which includes different types of e-commerce models, how e-commerce really ends up delivering the product to your home, and the last part of your Unit 4 includes reverse logistics. The importance of this new domain that is making a very big wave among various countries' economies, where governments are seriously considering implementing it, regulating it, or legislating it in their own countries in order to reduce the environmental degradation caused by mankind's methods of living. After the Unit 4, we'll go to the Unit 5, which is talking about international trade. Here, I include the fundamentals of what is an export and import. It is just to give you a brief introduction about it. What is the importance of an export for a nation that includes India? And then we have gone through various documentation and procedures related in exports as well as imports, and the role of important stakeholders from the government, that is custom clearance, and different agencies which is known as freight forwarders and custom clearing agents. These are also known as intermediaries in international trade. That has been given optimum importance. This is followed by different modes of shipment and the port of entry for each kinds of shipment, which includes couriers, that includes road transport, sea transport, and air transport. A special emphasis is given on sea shipment because of different types of vessels available here, because we all know that ocean shipments are constituting one of the largest percentage of international freight cargo transportation. Different types of products require different types of liners, and this is what we have dealt with. And finally, in international trade logistics, we have covered transportation as well as storage. The storage part includes the cold chain infrastructure, which is so essential, because storage of warehouse is already been done in Unit 4. In Unit 5, we have added an additional element for storage, that is cold chain infrastructure. I hope all the students are able to sit through these sessions, read the materials given to you, and also take up quiz for this each of the unit. Thank you.